Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery sudden drops. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone battery must be sudden drops, it might be come down to 20 to 0% or up to 40 to 20%. So let's see how can you fix that issue. So basically, sometimes it might happen that there will be any glitch with your iPhone that your iPhone battery percentage is not showing correctly. Now to fix that, you just have to try to make a force restart to fix this issue. Not to do that, you have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to simply unlock your phone. And here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you must have to try to make our software updates. Open your settings app here, go for general, go for software update section, and you have to make sure that your iOS is up to date. There is no any pending updates for your iPhone, or if you find any pending updates here, try to update your iOS or iPhone. And after that, you have to simply go back and you have to retry, or you have to go for battery settings here, and you have to look for battery health. And you have to make sure that your battery health is normal. If you find it weak or anything else here, so I recommend you have to try to exchange your battery with an original iPhone's battery. Or if you're facing the issue that your battery health is not showing or your maximum capacity is not showing, so it might be that your iPhone battery is not original, it might be replaced. Or if you're facing the issue, so I recommend you have to make a force reset again and then retry. If there will be any glitch, it will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue that your maximum capacity is not showing, so it might be that your iPhone battery has been replaced. It's not original, so I have to try to replace or change it with an original iPhone battery. And after that, your issue must be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.